Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa Meat Complex imports 6.35 tons beef, makes it available at 30 cold storages across state, but customers give poor response, citing the meat to be frozen. Union Forest Ministry to revoke ECs of 90 leases by Monday or Tuesday. CM confirms 112 mines expected to get EC. Pires, Clifford, Marcelino, Slepica out of FC Goa squad. Franchisee to continue with Yanseda, Santos, Pinero, Debrata, Romeo. Signings by March 20. Kurka villagers demand regular water supply, new transformer and a sluice gate. Says new ZP should do it on priority. And second phase of resurfacing work of runway at Dabun Airport from 15th April to 31st May. Runway for operations of flights for 8 hours from the current 6 hours. Now the news in detail. Most of the cold storages have discarded beef supplied by Goa government. Goa Meat Complex has imported 6.35 tons of red meat from neighbouring states. Nearly 13 cold storages have not accepted this meat arranged by Goa Meat Complex, citing it to be frozen. Storage owners maintain that there is low demand for frozen beef. State government has made arrangements of beef in 30 cold storages.
The first consignment of beef in the state has arrived. Goa government has imported 6.35 tons of beef from neighbouring states. Goa Meat Complex Limited has arranged beef at 30 cold storages all over the state, out of which 19 are in South Goa and 11 at North Goa.
6.35 tons of deboned and cleaned beef arrived today. Rate at which the cold storage owners are going to sell the meat is the same rate at which they were selling prior to the crisis.
South Goa MP Narendra Sawikar said that enough supply of red meat is available in Goa. Some vested interests are purposely trying to malign the image of BJP.
Basically, we are supplying the beef is available. So त्याच्या आधाराचेर जो कंडेम करपाचो किंवा एका अर्थान गव्हर्नमेंट आमच्या BJP हे करपाचो लोकां भितर मिसगायड करपाचो जो यत्न जाल्लो that's baseless totally. Already the situation has been taken care of.
Sources inform that most of the cold storages have not accepted the beef supplied by Goa Meat Complex, citing it to be frozen. Out of 30 cold storages, only 17 have purchased meat supplied by government and other 13 have refused. Most of the factories in neighbouring states are closed on Friday. This is the reason government imported frozen meat. Beef customers are not happy with the quality of the frozen meat.
Nearly about 4 tons was given to Margaon cold storages and about 2 tons were given to the North Goa cold storages. We did receive special boxes that were of export quality.
We have to improve the quality of beef. What we are getting not पहिले पळय आमी फ्रेश घेताले आनी तितलें येना बरें सो हें मातशें cleaning required more.
Meanwhile, most of the beef traders remain closed on Saturday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Central government may revoke suspension of environment clearances of 90 mining leases within 3 to 4 days. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that Minister of Environment and Forest Prakash Javadekar has assured him that suspension on environment clearances to mining in Goa will be revoked on Monday or Tuesday.
अधिवेशना पयलीं म्हाका क्लियर जाल्लें जाय म्हटलें त्यामुळे आनी आमी सगळे आमच्या वाटेन फॉर्मेलिटीज सगळ्यो केल्या म्हटल्यार म्हाका इमिजिएट जाय म्हाज्या अंदाजान ताणें म्हाका जो एश्युरन्स दिलो आज उद्या सुट्टी म्हटलें समार मंगळारा दी निश्चित दृष्टिक्षेपान आसा आनी फाल्यांचो आठवडो वयर वचचो ना आनी बजेट सेशना पयलीं हांव ती मेळयतलो.
FC Goa has decided to use their maximum quota to retain their domestic and foreign players for the second season of ISL. Franchisee can retain a maximum of 6 domestic players and 5 international players from the first edition of ISL. Some of the key players like Andre Santos, Gregory Arnolin, Romeo Fernandes are being retained, whereas players like Robert Pires and the local boy Clifford Miranda will most probably be released.
After a formidable performance in ISL inaugural edition, FC Goa has geared up for ISL 2 well in advance. ISL regulations allows a franchisee to hold on with only 6 of their domestic players and 5 foreign players. FC Goa has decided to use maximum quota to retain domestic and foreign players. Now, let us see who is in and who is out in domestic category. Debrata Roy, defender Narayan Das, Bikramjit Singh, Mandar Rao Sardesai, Romeo Fernandes and Lakshmikant Kattimani. These are the domestic players whom FC Goa has shown the door for ISL 2015. Clifford Miranda, Rovilson Rodriguez, Peter Carvalho, Gabriel Fernandes, Jewel Raja, Prabhir Das, Alvin George, Holi Charan, Gurpreet Chawal. FC Goa plans to retain 5 foreign players for ISL 2 this year. Yan Seda, Gregory, Andre Santos, Bruno Pinheiro, Zoib Islam Amiri. From the foreign segment, FC Goa may release Robert Pires, Randy Martins and Slepika. ISL guidelines mention that franchisee owner will have to seal the deal with these players before March 20 and submit the contract to the organizers, or else they will be open for negotiations with other clubs. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kurka villagers demand a sluice gate on urgent basis from the new ZP. New ZP members should end the struggle for water of Kurka people. Villagers also demand separate transformer as power supply is highly erratic in the locality. In our Battle ZP series, Dinesh Karpe covers Kurka.
गांवान खूब जाणां शेतां रोयतालीं, रोंपे रोयतालीं, जावं तें पिकोवन खातालीं आनी मीठ पिकतालें मेन म्हणजे आमकां गांवकाऱ्यांक हांगा मीठ फुकट मेळटालें. पूण ह्या गांवान आतां 5-6 वर्सां जालीं हें बांद मोडला आनी बुडला, सगळीं शेतां बुडल्या, आगोर मीठ काडूंक मेळना, शेत रोवंक मेळना.
आमचे कडेन कशें सांगू बांय पासून ना आमकां एक खारें उदीक पिवच्या गांवांना आमकां कांय ना आनी कांय ना. आनी आतां आमकां 5 वर्सां जाले उदकाचो थेंवो येना नळाचो पासून. आमी आतां कितें करपाचें सांग पळोवया. बेगिना आमचें बांदून दिवचो बांद.
आमचो व्हडवडा गांव ल्हानसोच पूण उदकाचे सदांच प्रॉब्लेम. आमकां उदकाक लागून खूब त्रास जाता. उदकूय तें ह्या 3 म्हयन्यांक मीठ पिकता आनी सारकें पिड्ड्यार जाता. उदकाची आमकां चडान चड गरज आसा. सामकी गरज आमची उदकाची. आनी लायटीचो जो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पयस आसा आनी केन्ना केन्ना लायट वता आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता लायटीक लागून.
आमी कितकेशे फावटी आमी रेजोल्यूशन धाडलें की आमकां एक स्पेशल आमकां व्हडवडान एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर घालचो. तिसरो प्रश्न आहा तो आमचो उदकाचो. 40 वर्सांची आमची पायपलायन ही हे प्रॉब्लेम आमची सॉल्व करची ह्या जिल्हा पंचायतच्या आमच्या मेंबरा कडेन मागता. कोणीचो आसूं पूण हो फुडाकार घेवन तो घेवचो.
मनशांनी पिवप ते जानवरांक सुद्दां पिवप ना कित्याक इतलें घाण जाल्लें आसा उदक तें. तरी सुद्दां आमी एडजस्ट करता कित्याक हांगा उदक लागीना. 2 दीस टँक काडलो उदकाचो पूण ते आमी म्हाका स्वता थंडी जाल्ली आसा. एक्सपिरियन्स केला हांवें बिकॉज तें उदक पिवन म्हाका वायरल इन्फेक्शन जाल्लें आसा.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.